welcome Premier of Victoria, Don Android. Don, you're very robotic. Do you have Hashburger syndrome like Don Burke? Greg, roll the clip.
Amazing. Toxic. Oh, I'm just amazed at how warm that is.
Yes. It's too early for us to tell.
I'm a stand-up comedian and all my work has dried up or been postponed. I'm very stressed.
It's stressful, I know. We'll give certainty and answers and some comfort to those as soon as we possibly can. The key point here is to get this right.
Yeah, but I'm not an essential worker.
Who is an essential worker has changed a lot. We probably didn't necessarily have enough respect for those people.
What about comedians who try to lift the people's spirit, you know? What are we supposed to do?
Online learning.
What? When is the lockdown gonna end?
So we do have a little bit of time, but we'll have more to say in the next couple of days.
What's the most important thing during this difficult time?
But we just have to acknowledge that staying at home is the most important thing.
What if I want to go to the club to play cards?
Stay at home, protect the health system, save lives. That's the key message.
What if I want to go to church?
Stay at home.
What if I want to go to a wedding?
Stay at home.
What if I want to go to the local tire rub and tug, fuck my dick?
We need to respect that and properly support it.
I slipped a 4 dick in my back this year. How's your back?
It's painful. It's very inconvenient. It's difficult.
What have you been doing during lockdown?
Flicking a switch. Increased hygiene, social distancing practices.
Italy won the Euro this year by penalties. What's your thought?
So I don't rule out tougher penalties in the future.
What advice do you have to perverts that expose themselves at exposure sites?
You shouldn't do it for all the reasons of, being a decent person. But
will your government snap lockdown every time you feel like it's time to fuck small business in the ass again?
Yep, we will.
So will you continue to bend us over and give it to us up the clacker?
Absolutely. And we won't hesitate to do that.
When's the lockdown gonna stop?
This will be with us for weeks and months. That's just the nature of these things.
What would you like to say to all Victorians?
I'm very grateful to every Victorian. That's why I'm so pleased and grateful and proud. I'm asking a lot of Victorians. I'm deeply grateful and very proud.
Stop sucking it, Don.
But I do want to make the point. I'm very grateful, very, very grateful and very proud of so many Victorians, 90+%, who are doing the right thing.
Please, stop sucking it. Please. Please. Premier Don Android, thank you.
Thank you.
Don, you're right.
Don.
Don! You're right, Don!
But
Greg, it looked like Don Android malfunction. Greg, he malfunctioned. Greg, do you hear me, Greg? He malfunctioned. Get somebody out of here. Call Lumobile.
But.
My mission is to protect you.
I knew you were a robot. I knew it.